Spotted hyena, scientifically named Crocuta. Although often thought of as scavengers, 60% to 75% of their food comes from hunts they carry out themselves. Spotted hyenas are highly social predators, usually operating in large packs. A single pack can include up to 80 individuals, with a matriarchal social structure where females dominate. This creates a coordinated and strategic hunting formation, enabling them to easily overwhelm larger prey. During the Serengeti migration, hyena packs take advantage of the wildebeest herds crossing the Mara River to hunt weak or exhausted animals. According to a 2024 report from Serengeti National Park, approximately 25% of wildebeest fatalities during migration are due to hyenas and other predator attacks. However, the true strength of the hyenas lies in their powerful jaws, which are the strongest among mammals. Their bite force reaches up to 1,100 pounds per square inch, nearly double the bite force of a male lion, which averages around 650 pounds per square inch. Spotted hyenas are not only formidable hunters, but also play a crucial role in keeping the environment clean. They consume carcasses before they can pollute the ecosystem, helping prevent disease and maintain natural balance.